I'll be making a oil change on a Coleman Powermate power base 5,000 watt generator. Seems to be an easy process. Please bear with me. I haven't done a video in a super long time. All right, see if I can get this going here. So here we have this is where you actually put the oil in. That's the fuel line with the filter right here. And this is where we drain the oil from. We'll be using a 7/16. Let's move you forward here so we get to see what's going on. Oil is super thick. It's what you don't want. I bought this used, but I never knew that you had to change the oil frequently or even add oil about every 8 to 9 hours of running time. Mind you, there's a huge big warning label on the machine, which I never even read. So it's always good to read the fine print. Just let it drain, and we'll just continue on. And as you can see, it's still coming out. Yeah, so you also have a notification right here, right where the choke is, which I never even paid attention to, so it's on me. But this machine's been running super fine, never had an issue. And there's also information here on checking the oil. So now I know. And I guess a few moments later, it's still pouring out. So I'll let it pour just a little bit more, and I'll just cap it up and fill it up with some new oil. All right, so pretty much finished draining, and I will just work in a reverse order. I'll clean up here. And from what I was told, you tighten it, but don't over tighten these. And that's over here. That's pretty much, that's all to it. And the oil I'll be using today will be a synthetic, a 5W30 for our climate, this is pretty much what it's required. And then once finally you've pretty much checked it a few times, make sure you have enough oil. Do one last check. As long as you have it on the full line, we are good to go. All right, so I hope this helped everyone on how to change the oil on this generator, 5,000 watt Coleman Powermate. Not many videos out there. I wasn't sure where the drain plug was. I had to watch a few videos, so it's just right over here underneath where we fill that up. That's pretty much it. Thank you.